This is a little chipper I bought a little while back. I've done some modifications to it. It has this handle at the front that's removable for you to pull it around, but it's quite heavy. So I made up this little drawbar, and the handle is fixed on with those two little screws, and you just undo them and take the handle out. Try and do this holding the camera as well, and made up a little drawbar. That's it. Yeah. And then obviously the two little screws go back in. And it got a pin to go onto the drawbar. That's it, of my garden tractor. Now the other thing I found when I was towing it after I'd made the drawbar was that the wheels, which are these wheels that came with it, hard rubber wheels, which are on little tiny axles here, and very tight into the width of the chipper. So I made another little axle which is bolted on underneath with some pneumatic tyres on, and quite a bit wider to give it a bit more stability when you're towing it along, and it doesn't try and turn over. And also with the pneumatic tyres, it gives it a little bit of suspension, and it seems quite good. The drawbar, when it's when it's sitting down on the floor, it's not in the way at all for usage, so you can just work away with the drawbar down on the floor, and you hardly even notice it because it's on floor level. And then I put a little handle in just for being able to wheel it around easily. So that's the modifications I did to the chipper, and I took a bit of film earlier on of me getting rid of some wood, which hopefully came out, but again it was only with the camera sat on the seat of the garden tractor, so until I look at it on the computer to see if it's any good, we'll see, and I'll post this. Thanks for watching. Bye.